Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix blurry videos on YouTube. So let's start. First open the YouTube app. Now let's play a video. Here you can see that the video is very blurry. The main reason behind it is the video is playing on a very low quality. Now tap on the video. Then tap on three dots. Now tap on quality. Here you will see that the video is playing on 144p and that's why the video is very blurry. The higher the picture quality is, the sharper the video will be. Now let's select a higher video quality. I'll just select 480p. Now you can see that the video is now sharper. Now let's try much higher. Let's go for 720p. And now you can see that the image is a lot sharper than before. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.